Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the Wondershare Filmora version 14, and I've been using this tool for video editing and it's very easy and basic to use. Basically I've been using this since the early days. I've been a long time user of Wondershare Filmora, so I've used it since version 10 all the way up to version 14 at the moment. And at the moment there's a promotion. I'm going to share the promotion here, and you basically be able to invite and download the free trial version of Wondershare Filmora. So you can put in here and invite some of your friends that you want to be able to share, and you basically get rewarded for sharing the tool. And some of the things you can win is if you basically invite one of your friends, you'll get a 7-day free license. Then if you share and invite another user, you get 300 AI credits. And then if you invite a third person, then you'll be able to get a chance to win a DJI Action 5 Pro. So that's pretty much something very easy for you to do. You can also do this. You basically drag and drop the answers here, and then submit your answer. And then there's so many features and so many AI features in particular that Wondershare Filmora has. Let me quickly show you one of them that I've just recently used. It's called the background music. So I'll just say I've got this video here. You can use this icon here, smart background or smart BGM generation. You click on this and it'll start analyzing the content. So this is AI doing its work. It analyzes the content, pretty much the audio that is already within the video. It also analyze the video, and then it'll start producing a background music for this particular video. So at the moment it's analyzing the video. We just give it a few moments and then it'll generate the audio, and we'll go through and listen to the audio as well together. I'll speed this up. Whilst it's doing that, I'm just going to go back to the promotion. So this promotion and event ends on the 18th of November 2024. So just make sure you enter this draw, invite your friends, get the rewards, and answer these questions. Then all you need to do is submit and just get your 7-day trial. Play around with it. You'll find that it's very easy to use and you'll be able to create amazing video content. Let's see. Okay, it's still analyzing the video. Okay, now as you can see here, it's doing the smart BGM generation. So it's generating the background music. Pretty exciting sometimes to see what kind of music it generates automatically. Now, Wondershare Filmora, in one of my previous videos, I did share how to generate AI music using this tool feature here, where you can basically generate some AI music based on a particular theme. But with the smart BGM generation, it actually generates the music based on your video content. Okay, so let's go through it and let's listen to this background music. Good morning everyone. It's been around over a week since I've been doing the body weight exercises. So I'm just going to show you the progress after a week. Okay, so that was pretty good. I can't deny it, and yeah, the music really matched with the theme since it's an exercise theme, and the music was complemented that, and it's pretty good. Okay, so you can give that a try. And if this video helped you in any way, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.